Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2020 Ford F-150. Tools I'll be using for the installation is a ratchet, extension, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, panel popper, and a T25 Torx bit with a screwdriver. Now let's get started. First, you want to start by opening your hood. Next, remove 14 plastic push pins, securing the radiator shroud. After that, unseat your radiator shroud. Next, remove 4 10mm bolts, securing the top of the grille. From here, you can unplug your shutter by pressing down on the tab. Next, you want to disconnect the harness from the grille. Moving to the front passenger side wheel, remove 2 7mm bolts, securing the valance. Next, you're going to carefully unclip the valance. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. Now carefully unseat your valance. Next, remove 4 8mm bolts, 2 on each side, one securing the headlight and the other one securing the grille. After that, carefully unseat your grille. This next step is uninstalling the hardware of the headlight. Start by removing 1 push pin on top and then 6 10mm bolts. Next, we're going to unclip the vent from the valance bracket. From here, you want to unclip your headlight and carefully unseat it. From here, we're going to unplug the high beam, low beam, parking turn signal, and your side marker. Before installing our new headlight, we have to transfer over the valance bracket onto the new headlight. So bring your old headlight over and remove 3 T25 screws. Unseat the bracket. Bring over your new headlight. Carefully seat your bracket in place. And reinstall the 3 T25 screws. Now we're ready to install our headlight. I'm going to bring over your Spyder headlight, turn it to the back. Going to unplug your side marker, parking turn signal, and your high beam, low beam. Make sure each connector is secure. Now tuck your wires out of the way and carefully seat your headlight in place. Start by reinstalling the vent. The push pin, and the 6 10mm bolts securing the headlight. Now repeat the same steps on the driver's side. I'm going to reinstall your grille. Reinstall the 4 8mm bolts securing the headlight and the grille on each side. Carefully reinstall your valance. Back to the front passenger side wheel, I'm going to reinstall the valance and reinstall the 2 7mm bolts securing it. Now repeat the same steps on the driver's side. Reinstall your shutter harness. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts securing the grille. Reinstall the radiator shroud. And reinstall the 14 push pins securing the shroud. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.